Begin your Hemoheme Habit Challenge now. Take 2 sachets every day. About immune support. Atomy Hemoheme. Take 2 sachets a day and feel the difference. Hemoheme is great for the start of your immune support. An energized life to keep you going strong. Hemoheme. Start a healthier life with the habit of 2 sachets a day. Begin your Hemoheme Habit Challenge now. Take 2 sachets every day. About immune support. Atomy Hemoheme. Take 2 sachets a day and feel the difference. Hemoheme is great for the start of your immune support. An energized life to keep you going strong. Hemoheme. Start a healthier life with the habit of 2 sachets a day. Begin your Hemoheme Habit Challenge now. Take 2 sachets every day. immune support. Atomi Hemoheme. Take 2 sachets a day and feel the difference. Hemoheme is great for the start of your immune support. An energized life to keep you going strong. Hemoheme. Start a healthier life with the habit of 2 sachets a day. Begin your Hemoheme habit challenge now. Take 2 sachets every day. Immune support. Atomi Hemoheme. Take 2 sachets a day and feel the difference. Hemoheme is great for the start of your immune support. An energized life to keep you going strong. Hemoheme. Start a healthier life with the habit of 2 sachets a day. Begin your Hemoheme habit challenge now. Take 2 sachets every day. Immune support. Atomi Hemoheme. Take 2 sachets a day and feel the difference. Hemoheme is great for the start of your immune support. An energized life to keep you going strong. Hemoheme. Start a healthier life with the habit of 2 sachets a day. Begin your Hemoheme habit challenge now. Take 2 sachets every day. sachets a day and feel the difference. Hemoheme is great for the start of your immune support. An energized life to keep you going strong. Hemoheme. Start a healthier life with the habit of 2 sachets a day. Begin your Hemoheme habit challenge now. Take 2 sachets every day. All about immune support. Atomy Hemoheme.
Hello, a very good afternoon, everyone. I hope you are able to hear me. Am I audible? Okay, hello, good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to our today's product training session, which is on our product Acme Absolute Selective Skincare. So today's session will be in English for our English-speaking members. So without any delay, let us begin our session today. So as you all are aware about our product, Atomy Absolute Selective Skincare, which is one of the patented products which helps in generation of your skin. That is, it helps in stopping the process of aging of your skin, and it also helps in some cases it helps in reversing the skin age. That is, it helps in improving the signs of aging like fine lines, sagging skin, as well as the brightening of the skin. So it is a product which is specially designed for improving the quality of your skin irrespective of your age. So let us see what this product is about. So first of all, the core essence of this product is the absolute quality, which has the absolute results. And it is a combination of 6 different types of products which helps in step-by-step improving the quality of your skin and improving the different signs of aging of your skin. It is one of the products which was researched well and has a patented technology used in the development of this product. And because of all these, uniqueness of this product, it has also attained many awards, national level awards from the Korean government. So if we look at the awards, it has almost 4 top national level awards it has achieved for its absolute quality and the effectiveness. So before going into details of the product, firstly let us see why this product is required and useful. So we all are looking for a good, better skin, not only in terms of strengthening the skin, improvising the look, but also improving the fine issues which we face on daily basis. So this product not only helps in different signs of aging, but it helps in reversing, that is the de-aging. So what de-aging means? If we look at the de-aging word itself, it is kind of the word which is self-explanatory. That is, it stops the aging of your skin, and also take care of the already aged skin. That is, the people who are young and want to maintain those level of youngness, or you can say of their skin, youthfulness of their skin. So it's helpful for them, as well as the person whose skin is aging, like whose the signs of aged skin, like fine lines and dullness and uneven skin tone or pigmentation or the sagging of skin. These are different signs of aging. Those whose skin is already aged and these kind of symptoms are appearing on the skin, the product helps in improvising, in improving that condition, so that it looks that your age has been reversed. So that is the de-aging. So it focuses on the both the categories, that is the youthful skin as well as the aged skin. So if we look at the aging of the skin, so the aging of the skin starts from the age 20 itself. That is, when you are born, your new skin is being formed, and it eventually develops into a mature skin by age 20. And after age 20, it starts to properly age. That is, the different signs of aging which are considered starts appearing from the 20 age itself. That is, the first thing which happens on the skin is that it starts losing the elasticity of the the which you had in the early teenage. It starts losing that elasticity, and this elasticity is not visibly seen like in the early 20s, but the tendency of the skin to lose this elasticity starts from the early 20 itself. And after that, as the elasticity is loosed, eventually the fine lines develop, which is observed at the early 30s, late 20s or early 30s. The fine lines are easily observed, and if people are not taking care, the pigmentation also appears, the uneven skin tone also appears in the early 20s itself. And as you age and you go to the 40s, the skin starts to sag itself. That is, the sagginess starts to appear, especially in the eye box, eye bags, in the form of the eye bags, or the jawline, it starts to droop, the cheek starts to droop. So these are the different observation which people can observe on their skin along when they move towards their 40s age. And even the crow's feet starts appearing at the time of 45 or 50s, and it starts to deepening by the 50 years, it starts to deepening. And also nasolabial fold starts to appear, that is the lines which are around the lips and the nose, those starts to appear. So these are the different stages which determine the aging of the skin. And by the 60s, the proper signs of aging starts to appear in most of the peoples. So this is something which is the normal course of aging of the skin. But if you take care of your skin in a proper manner, what happens, this process of aging slows down, and it also helps in reversing in the cases when these signs appear because of the people who are not taking care of skin. So this develops earlier than the milestone, or you can say the age when it should appear. Before that, it starts to appear. So the improper care of the skin is one of the major factor. Not only the natural tendency of the skin, but also many factors such as kind of the environment in which we live. If there is very fine dust, or that also contributes to the the adding of the quick aging, as well as the stress which eventually generates the free radicals. they also attack your skin, and eventually the skin starts to age before it should, before the milestone, you can say, when the signs should appear, before that it starts to appear. Even the lack of sleep, which happens very commonly these days, so this lack of sleep also doesn't help in improving the skin quality, because whenever a person sleeps, the body itself tries to recover that condition. But if a person is not sleeping properly or not having the proper sleep, good quality of sleep, again your skin, natural tendency of your skin to regenerate ceases and stops, and therefore the signs of aging appears very quickly. So apart from this, again the UV radiations in which we are getting exposed on the daily basis. So all these factors contributes to the aging of the skin. And if apart from this many factors, if there are one or two factors, might be through on a daily basis, if you just normally wash your face, it might help. But if many of these factors are into play at a single time, it leads to the it adds to the quickening of the aging of the skin. And therefore what happens, proper skin care regime has to be followed to maintain, or you can say nourish the skin. And if the proper skincare regime is not followed, skin loses its tendency to look youthful and young, and eventually the result is that it starts to age very quickly, and before the actual milestone when those signs should appear, it starts appearing before that. And therefore many people face this difficulty these days on a daily basis, because all these signs are everywhere, and for every people it is similar, and everyone is targeted because of these different factors which ages their skin. And due to lack of knowledge or lack of awareness, or if they don't have time to take care of the skin, this condition doesn't improve, it starts to worsen as the time passes. So therefore one should be aware about what are the basic things which their skin needs and how to take control of that. So for that, to improve such conditions, Atomy has this unique product, that is Absolute Selective Skincare System, which basically is designed in a way which helps your skin to give it a proper nutrition and nourishment which it needs to regenerate the skin, which it needs to stop the aging process of your skin, which it needs to maintain the quality or the necessary requirement of your skin to achieve a youthful and plumpy skin. So what these technologies are? Well, Absolute Selective contains the 6 technologies. 4 of the technology which are similar to the FAME set, which we will be discussing in the coming slide. Apart from this, the 2 new technologies were added to in the Absolute set, which is a patented technology, and those 2 technologies are the selective technology and the selective code, which is the combination of these 2 makes the Absolute Selective Skincare a unique product which helps in achieving the intensive de-aging skincare regime. So firstly, we'll be speaking about the 4 technology which helps in improving the the effectiveness and the, you can say, the quality of the product. So first, many times people speak about the product is effective because of the ingredients which are used, right? But not only the kind of ingredients, but how the ingredients are processed also helps in determining the quality of the product. So the 4 kind of key technologies used in preparing, or you can say making of this Absolute Selective Skin Set is the 4 technologies. Firstly, the high purity refinement technology. Second, fresh biotechnology. Third, the fermentation technology. And fourth, the multi-liquid crystal capsule technology. So if we want to discuss why this technology is used, first of all, we'll be talking about high purity refinement technology. This technology ensures that the kind of the ingredients which are using is being purified to a form that all the active contents are there and no harmful contents are there. So the kind of ingredients which are used, they have to be concentrated, and during the process, what happens, it might lose its property. So this high purity refinement technology ensures that during that concentration step, all the effectiveness of the ingredient is maintained, and it doesn't loses any of its activity. So therefore high purity refinement technology helps in concentrating the active ingredient in its active form itself. Second is the fresh biotechnology. So this fresh biotechnology ensures to collect the active content from the fresh herbs, not the dried herbs. The benefit of this technology is that most of the products which are formed uses the dry ingredients, and the dry ingredients, because as the process of drying happens in the herbs, so the herbs get oxidized and loses its effectiveness. So therefore the high quality ingredients are not being achieved by using the dry herbs. So fresh biotechnology, which is used in Atomi's absolute selective system, is the fresh herbs. The extract is collected from the fresh herb directly, so that its effectiveness is achieved. That is, the high quality active ingredients can be extracted from the fresh herbs, and no oxidation happens during this process. So therefore, it again adds to the good quality and the effective quality of the product. Third is the fermentation technology. Fermentation technology helps in enhancing the effectiveness of the product by breaking the content into smaller particles, very fine particles, which not only fine particles but also converting some ingredients into active form, which eventually helps in effectiveness of the product. So all these technologies, some or the other, how helps in improving the quality and the effectiveness of the product. So fermentation technology, you might have heard about various kind of ingredients. When they are fermented, their effectiveness increases because the particle size of your content reduces, and also the inactive compounds are converted into active compounds. That is, if you're using something which is not active, it won't be beneficial for your skin. But using the fermentation technology, those are converted into the active form, which are beneficial for your skin. So therefore, fermentation technology helps in achieving that. And one of the unique example of this fermentation technology is the rice water, which is one of the base of any Korean skincare regime. The rice water, which the Koreans are famous for their glass skin, right? So that glass skin regime, the Korean skincare regime which they follow, rice water is one of the essential part. And that rice water is the kind of the fermented, water of the rice, which are highly effective and essential for improving the skin quality. So that is one of the example of the fermentation technology. Just for the understanding, I have given this example. The fourth technology used is the multi-liquid crystal capsule technology. So this technology ensures that all the active ingredients are being easily absorbed in the skin. So it helps in crossing of the skin barrier, because our skin is a kind of barrier for us or body to protect it from the outside environment, so it doesn't let anything to cross it. So if you are using the such high quality ingredients, they need to reach, or you can say get absorbed in your skin. So this again helps in absorption of these active ingredient by helping it to cross your skin barrier, and therefore this helps in again improving the the effectiveness of your product. So these all four technology are very unique, and they help and ensure the product which you are using is of high quality and high effectiveness. So This the next two technology which are being introduced in the especially in the absolute set is the selective technology, which is a patented technology. And this, the you can say the purpose of this technology is that the high quality specific ingredients of rare herbs are used, which is being targeted to the specific cells. That is, if you are having the crow's feet, or if you are having the the pigmented skin, or if you are having the skin which is losing its elasticity and sagging itself. So all these signs of aging happens because of the different cells with which our skin is made, and every cell has its own requirement, but nothing enters those cells without any proper guidance. So this technology specifically targets those cells and delivers those rare herbs in those cells so that they can get their nutrients for for the proper nourishment of those cells and reduce any signs of aging. So these different technology is used. We'll be discussing in detail this technology. So the technology, selective technology, is the one which targets to the specific area, and selective code is the combination of different herbs which helps you achieving different results, like all might code, lifting code, and brightening code. Again, coming to those points, what code does what, we are coming to that. First of all, if you're talking about the selective code, it is the combination of the rare herbs like, EGF factors from the plant, dormin, rosmite, ferment, filtrate, and lupin protein. These are the rare herbs which, in combination, forms the code of absolute code, like all might, brightening, and lifting. So these different ingredients are used for different purposes. Firstly, we'll be talking about the EGF factor. EGF factors are the epidermal growth factor, and this EGF is not at all available in the normal skincare products. These are only available in the specific, specialized, high quality dermatological, products, and that quality of ingredient is being included in the absolute skincare, absolute set. And the main purpose of this ingredient is it helps in regenerating the healthy new cells of your skin. So that is the main purpose of this. And again, this ingredient is very unique in the absolute. Apart from this, the second ingredient is the osmite ferment filtrate, and these ingredient is a filtrate of the specific plant which is known for the longevity of those plants, and the extract of those plants helps in nourishing your skin and improving the longevity of your skin, so that the aging process slows down and it doesn't age quickly. Next is the dormin. This dormin is specifically the extract of different herbs all together combined, and this dormin helps in stopping the aging of your skin cells. So these are different herbs, or you can say the flower extract, which is combined together so that it nourishes your skin and stops the aging process of your skin. And last but not least is the lupin protein. Lupin protein is a kind of extract of the plant which helps in improving the skin strength, or you can say the skin barrier. So if you look at the skin, a skin is like a layer, or you can say the sheet which covers our body, and that sheet is itself made from multiple cells, and all those cells lie one after the other, one beside the other, and they are joined by different bridges together, and those bridges are responsible for the strength of your skin, that how much strength and plumpy and young it will look is determined by how the strong those bridges are. And this lupin protein helps in making those bridges very strong and giving the strength to that those the junctions between those cells, and that's how it helps in improving the skin barrier or strengthening the skin barrier. So therefore these all ingredients, some or the other, how help in nourishing your skin cells, regenerating your skin cells, reducing the aging of your skin cell, as well as improving the skin barrier strength as well. So these all ingredients are responsible for these. But now, which cell needs what thing? That is determined by the selective technology. That is when those ingredients will be targeting those specific cells. So if we are talking about the targeting of the cells, the combination of these all ingredients, different ingredients, when combined together, form different codes. That is all might code, brightening code, and the lifting code. So all these code uses its specific lock-in key mechanism. That is the technology which is being used. So just for understanding this technology, if you want to enter any room, right, so you have to cross the door. You have to open the door, then only you can enter. And for opening of the door, you need the specific key to of that door, so that the lock can be opened and you can enter that. Similarly happens with the cells of your skin as well. So there are different cells on your skin that can be like in the existing skin cells, the basal skin cells, which helps in making the new cells of your skin, as well as those cells which are responsible for the complexion of your skin. So these are different cell types which your skin has, and if you nourish those specific cells, or you can say if you target those specific cells, the condition of those cells will improve. So it is a kind of technology, is a kind of lock-in key mechanism which helps in delivering those active content to the specific cells in which the nutrients they need. So all these combining together, the first we will be talking about the All Might code. So what All Might code does? So the All Might code contains the ingredients which are needed for your basal cells. That is, the base of your skin helps in making new skin. So what this All Might code does, it has a kind of key and the ingredients which the base of those skin cell needs. That is, the cells which make the new cells, they have different requirements. Like if you have any issues in your body, you eat specific type of food, you nourish your body with those supplements so that it can regenerate. Similarly, the base of your skin has the different requirement because they want to make new cells, and this All Might code has the key to deliver those essential nutrients to the base of your skin. So therefore it helps in making of healthy new cells which are very young and elastic as well as. Second is the lifting code. Lifting code works on your existing skin cells. That is, the cells which are already present on your skin, they also need upliftment and nourishment so that they can also be very elastic and are very hydrated and plumpy. So the lifting code helps in providing the nutrition to your existing skin cells so that your existing cell gets the nutrition which it needs to look healthy and young. Next code is the brightening code. So the work of the brightening code is that it provides the nutrition to your cells which produces the skin color. So especially the cells those cells are known as melanocyte. So this brightening code goes and deliver to nutrition to your the cells which produces the melanin, so that it doesn't produce much melanin and your skin brightens up. So therefore, these three codes target different cells, giving you the different results. So again, for the revision, I would be just explaining once again. All Might code delivers nutrition to your base cell, which makes the new cell. Lifting code delivers the nutrition to your existing cell so that it uplifts and elastic and plumpy it looks. Secondly, the brightening code helps in delivering the nutrition to the cells which are responsible for your complexions, so that the skin brightening happens, the pigmentation get reduced, and these are the things which it targets. So these are the different codes and the purpose of these codes. So again, before moving into one by one product, the whole absolute cell active set has its specific signature fragrance that is of tuberose, which is in Hindi known as Rajnigandha. So it has the specific signature note which makes it unique and very floral and appealing. And also the whole set is being dermatologically tested for the sensitivity and the safety of the product. And this derma test is a kind of German test which is world known to check the quality of the you can say the beauty products or skincare products, so that which speaks about how safe the product is and how the effective the product is. So it has cleared this test, which makes it suitable for even the sensitive skin type people as well. So now coming to the absolute selective set as a whole. So this contains 6 different products altogether, which are used in step by step. So whenever you are taking care of your skin, it's always essential to start your skincare by removing any kind of dust and dirt on the which is present on your skin. So always cleanse your skin first and then only start nourishing it. So after cleansing, only you should start using the absolute. For cleansing, you can use the evening care skin set as well. And after that, cleaning of your face, you will firstly use the toner, and after toner you will use the ampule, and after ampule you will use serum, then lotion, then eye complex, and then infusion cream. This is one of the standard skincare protocol which should be used, although based on the requirement of your skin, you can say if you are using many other products together with this, you can change the sequence, but this is the basic sequence which how it should be used. So first of all, we'll be talking about the toner. Well, the purpose of the toner is to help in maintaining the pH balance of your skin and pre-prepping your skin for absorption of the nutrients which you are going to deliver in the further steps. And Atomy Absolute Toner contains the 15% of brightening code. And for using this product, after cleaning of your skin, you should take toner and take in your palm, or you can also take on the cotton pad and apply all over your face in the uplifting position. Like you have to sweep from downwards to the upward position. Second, after applying that, let it absorb, and the next step will be the ampule. So ampule is one of our product which is very unique because it contains the 30% of All Might code. That is, it nourishes the base of your skin and helps in improving the making the new skin cells which are very healthy, and even it helps in improving the fine lines of your skin and improving the density of your skin cells. So for using this product, always it is a dropper type product. So open the product. Let me just show you also. So firstly, in the previous slide we talked about the toner. So this is the if you can see. I hope it's visible. Okay, so this is the toner, and the toner is basically the first step of your skincare regime after cleaning. After cleaning, the nourishing step, this is the first step, and this is the pump bottle type, and it easily comes out, and it is very liquid in texture, and it can, after cleaning of the skin, when you apply it, and just apply from the lower to upper portion, and it will easily absorb. And this will help in closing the maintaining the pH balance, helps in hydrating the skin, as well as it contains the brightening code which helps in brightening of your skin, because all the dead skin has been removed in the previous steps, so it helps in improving the brightness of your skin as well. After applying this product, second which we were talking just now is the ampule, which is a blue color bottle, which is many member also call it as a magic bottle because of the absolute code which it contains, and it is in the form of the dropper. So once you open it, you can see the dropper appears. So it is closed, now it is open. So you have to open it, and after opening you can see it all contains, there is the content inside this dropper. You just have to press and the content will come out. It is quite a bit thicker than the toner, and it doesn't drops off easily. So it is very thick, and this All-Might code helps in nourishing the base of your skin and improving the fine lines and sagginess of the skin as well. So it nourishes and improves the signs of aging, especially the people whose skin is already aged. So it helps in improving their skin quality, improving the glow in their skin, and stretchiness. That is, the lifting of the skin is also observed. So it is advised to use this whole bottle within a month so that all the active contents are being delivered, and the quality and the texture of your skin gets improved. And it is one of the most concentrated product in the whole set. Next, I've already shown you how to open this. So just twist the bottle and it will come out. Next is the third step is the serum. So serum is again this bottle. It is this bottle which contains 50 ml of content. It is again a pump bottle, and the purpose of this product is to improve the elasticity of the skin. So especially the new skin cell which is forming, it helps in improving the elasticity of those